Again in my YouTube channel, Short and Bob Pixie Haircut. How are you, my dear subscriber and viewer? I hope you are all well and fine. In this video, I will discuss about a short, medium length layered Bob Pixie haircut, short Bob Pixie haircut, and other styles of highlights of hair colors. A medium length layered bob haircut is a versatile and chic style that suits many faces, shapes, and their types, typically reaching the chin or the collarbone. This cut is great for those who want a shorter style without going too short. The layers add movements and texture, framing the face and enhancing the overall look. This style can be customized with the various layering techniques such as subtle layers for a natural look or more dramatic layer for adding volume and texture. With a medium length layered bob, you can achieve a classic elegant look or a trendy eggy vibes depending on your the styling preference. Short hairstyle is a great way to frame your face and keep your hair out of your face. It is also a low maintenance option, perfect for the busy days. Short hair can be styled in many ways, from sleek and smooth to textured and the voluminous. Popular short hairstyles include the bob, pixie cut, and undercut. If you are considering a short hairstyles, consider your face shape, hair type, and personal style to find the perfect look for you. Bob Pixie haircut is the fusion of two classic styles, offering a unique and stylish look. This cut typically features the length and the angles of a bob with the choppy layers and texture of the pixie cut. The result is a sleek and sophisticated slide with the playful edges. The bob pixie cut usually reaches the chin or the ears, with the layers giving it is a PC layered look. This style suits most face shapes and the hair types and can be customized to suit individual preference. It is a great choice for those who is the visual interested and can be styled in many ways, from sleek and smooth to texture and voluminous. Highlight add a new touch in your hairs. Most popular hair colors are the honey blonde hair lights for a warm golden glow, caramel hair lights for rich butterfly tone, ash highlights for a cool silvery and sheen, platinum highlights for a bold icy effect. Highlights can enhance your natural color, add contrast, and create a fresh update look. Consult a professional stylist to determine the best highlighting technique and color of your hair type, face shape, and personal style. All videos are making for you, and please guys support me and tell in the comment box.